If you're looking for a smart buy in Summerlin, this is one community you need to see. Let me show you Lark Hill by Taylor Morrison. Modern townhomes starting in $400,000 with unbeatable red rock views. Hi everyone! 안녕하세요. 你好. I'm Lauren Chenfu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. Today, I'm touring Lark Hill at Summerlin by Taylor Morrison, and this community is all about urban core convenience without sacrificing beauty. If you want modern living, where coffee shops, shopping, dining, trails, and everyday essentials are just minutes away, while still being steps from Red Rock, this is one you need to see. First, we are going to tour is Unit 3. This is the largest floor plan, offering 2,163 square feet and the most flexibility. Officially, it's 3 bedrooms, but it can live like 4 or even 5 thanks to smart design. Lark Hill is perfectly positioned within the Summerlin master planned community, one of the most desirable places to live in Las Vegas. What really sets this neighborhood apart is the lifestyle. You're close to malls, grocery stores, coffee shops, dining, and entertainment. Everything you need for day-to-day life. There's a spacious study that can easily become a 5th bedroom downstairs with a full bathroom nearby. And if you haven't seen it yet, I've got another video where I compare Grand Park Village and the urban core in Summerlin West. Definitely worth watching if you are exploring your options here. As a real estate professional, I always tell buyers that convenience matters just as much as the home itself. Communities like this hold value because they support how people actually live, busy schedules, social lives, and flexibility. Upstairs, you'll find a loft, a tech space, 2 additional bedrooms, and the primary suite, which includes an uncovered balcony, giving you your own private outdoor escape. For buyers who need space to grow, host guests, or work from home full-time, this plan delivers without sacrificing the urban core lifestyle. Across all 3 floor plans, what really stands out is how intentional the design is. Every square foot works hard. These homes are built for people who want convenience, flexibility, and proximity to everything Summerlin offers, without the maintenance of a traditional single-family home. Let's talk numbers, because this is important, especially if you're comparing communities in Summerlin. At Lark Hill, the HOA is $199 per month, and that fee supports a true low-maintenance, lock-and-leave lifestyle. Your exterior maintenance and the roof are covered, which is a big deal for buyers who don't want to worry about long-term upkeep. In addition to that, the Summerlin West Master Planned Community HOA is $69 per month, which goes toward the incredible parks, trails, amenities, and overall community upkeep Summerlin is known for. There is also a SID, or Special Improvement District, which is $222 semi-annually, working out to about $37 per month. The principal balance is approximately $7,126, and this is something buyers should factor into their overall monthly cost. I always encourage buyers to look at the value behind these fees. When exterior maintenance, roofing, landscaping, and community amenities are baked in, it can actually simplify budgeting and reduce surprise expenses over time. Next one is Unit 2, 1,796 square feet, and the added benefit of being an end unit, which means more natural light. This plan keeps the open concept great room and kitchen, but adds a walk-in pantry and a versatile loft upstairs, giving you extra space for media area, home office, or flex room. This one is great if you want a little more breathing room while still keeping that urban, connected feel. The primary suite features a walk-in closet and a private bath, creating a true retreat. Finally, we are touring the smallest floor plan, Unit 1. This is the most efficient and low-maintenance option, coming in at 1,645 square feet, with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. You enter through a courtyard and covered patio into an open great room, dining area, and kitchen with an island, perfect for everyday living or entertaining. Upstairs, you'll find 2 secondary bedrooms that share a balcony, which is such a great urban touch. Plus a dedicated tech space for working or studying from home. The primary suite is tucked away for privacy, and the second floor laundry is a big win for convenience. This layout is ideal for buyers who want a lock-and-live lifestyle, professionals, or anyone downsizing without giving up style. Living at Lark Hill also means access to thoughtfully planned amenities, parks, trails, and social spaces that encourage you to get outside and connect. Summerlin itself offers an endless lineup of lifestyle perks: golf, pools, libraries, dining, seasonal festivals, car shows, and community events. There's always something happening, but never chaos. Another huge plus of Summerlin is peace of mind. Police and fire stations are built directly into the master plan, which is something buyers really appreciate, especially those relocating or downsizing. Lark Hill is ideal if you want urban core convenience, modern design, and a lock-and-live lifestyle. Whether you're a professional, a part-time Vegas resident, or someone who just wants less maintenance and more living. If you want updates on pricing, floor plans, and upcoming releases, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want my honest insight on whether this community fits your lifestyle, reach out. I'm happy to help. Contact me today for the best pricing details and exclusive builder incentives. You don't want to miss this one. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Lauren Chen-Fu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. See you in the next one.